Hello friends, welcome to Solve Loop Quiz Challenge. Today's Guess the Emoji Quiz features 30 emoji puzzles for you to solve before the answers are revealed. Some are easy, while others are surprisingly tricky. How to play. Look at the emojis carefully and try to guess the word, phrase, or title they represent. Make your answer before time runs out. Keep track of your score and see if you can achieve a perfect 30 over 30 in this fun emoji challenge. Are you ready? Let's begin. What is the emoji puzzle? The answer is Spider-Man. Solve the emoji puzzle. The answer is The Lion King. Can you name it? The answer is ice cream. Figure this one out. The answer is rainbow. What is this show? The answer is Firefighter. Before we continue, tell us your score so far in the comments. Decode these emojis. The answer is football. Name the hidden word. The answer is cupcake. Crack this emoji puzzle. The answer is Starfish. Spot the correct answer. The answer is sunflower. Work out this clue. The answer is bookworm. How many have you solved correctly? Keep going. Identify the phrase. The answer is Snowman. Read these emojis. The answer is toothbrush. Guess the answer now. The answer is Mailbox. Can you solve this? The answer is Dragonfly. Find the hidden word. The answer is Honeybee. Comment below if you're still on track for a perfect score. What is the answer? The answer is basketball. Decode the puzzle. The answer is watermelon. Name this object. The answer is laptop. Think fast here. The answer is Moonlight. Can you get it? The answer is fish tank. We're entering the final stretch. How many points do you have? Guess this one. The answer is birthday cake. Solve the emoji clue. The answer is airplane. What word appears here? The answer is handshake. Identify this answer. The answer is sunglasses. Crack the hidden clue. The answer is Treehouse. Tell us your score before the last 5 questions. What does it mean? The answer is milkshake. Discover the answer here. The answer is fireworks. Read the emoji hint. The answer is popcorn. Can you decode it? The answer is Lighthouse. Final emoji challenge. The answer is butterfly. Did you score 10, 20, or a perfect 30 out of 30? Let us know your score in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you did. If you enjoyed this challenge, please give this video a like, subscribe to Solve Loop, and share it with a friend who loves emoji quizzes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next quiz challenge. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.